Students, in today's video, see some questions in exercise 2.2 under the chapter relations and functions. Question number 7 is write the relation R of order pairs x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. You know, students, what is a prime number? Prime number means a number which has exactly two distinct factors. Okay, such as 2 is a prime number because it has two factors, 2 and 1. 3 is a prime number because it has two factors, 1 and 3, distinct different factors. 1 is not a prime number because the factor of 1 can be written 1 into 1, the same two numbers. So it should have two distinct factors, different factors. 5 is a prime number because 1 into 5. 7 is a prime number. 8, 9, these are not prime numbers. 10 is not a prime number. So which are the prime numbers here? 2, 3, 5 and 7, which are less than 10. So here x can takes the values 2, 3, 5, 7 as these are the prime numbers. These are the prime numbers less than 10. Therefore, let us find out. First is x. Second, the range of x is x cube. So when x equal to 2 prime number, then this is second means y. Then y is equal to x cube is given. Therefore, y equals to 2 cube, that is 8. Right? So first order pair will be 2, 8. When x equal to 3, then y equals to 3 cube, that is y equals to 27. So order pair is 3, 27. When x equal to 5, then y equals to x cube. This implies y equal to 5 cube, that is y equal to 125. Right? Similarly, when x equal to 7 prime number, then y equal to 7 cube. 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7, that is 49 into 7, that is 243. That is 343. Right? Now say 3 sister 6 such 28 వచ్చే 34 है ना 343. Therefore what he asked, write the relation, this relation in roster form. Therefore relation will contains the order pairs 2, 8, then 3, 27, then 5, 125 and 7, 343. So this is the relation in roster form. Okay, students. Question number 8 is let capital A equals to xyz and capital B equals to 1, 2. Okay. Find the number of relations. Find the number of relations from A to B. Okay. So see, students, here capital A contains 3 elements. Solution. Here capital A equals to x, y, z, which contains 3 elements. and capital B equals to 1 2. Okay, so which contains two elements. Okay, therefore A cross B will contain the order pairs 3 into 2, that is 6. 3 into 2, that is 6 order pairs will be in this relation. Will contain 6 order pairs: x1 x2, y1 y2, z1 z2, like that. Okay, so these are the 3 order pairs this R will contain. So if there are total 6 elements, subsets will be, therefore number of relations we know that if there are m elements in the set, then the total subsets are 2 raised to the power m. Here are 6 elements in this relation, so total number of subsets equals to the total number of relations. So number of relations will be equal to 2 raised to the power 6, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 कितना होता है 8 16 32 64. Therefore total number of relations are 64. Okay students, thank you. Now see next question. Find domain and range of the function f of x equal to 3 upon 2 minus x square. Okay, so student, here function f of x equals to 3 upon 2 minus x square, this is given, that is y equal to 3 upon 2 minus x square. Now let us see how should be the range y. Let us find out that. So let us find out the value of x equal to. So this will be y into bracket 2 minus x square equal to 3. Therefore 2y minus y x square equal to 3. Okay, therefore yx square equal to 2y minus 3. Take yx square this side, 3 this side. Okay, therefore x square equal to 2y minus 3 upon y, that is x equals to this under root 2y minus 3 upon this y, right? X equal to, now this will give us the real number. This under root value should not be negative, otherwise it becomes complex number. So this should be positive, that is here x will be a real number if here this 2y minus 3 should be greater than or equal to 0. ये नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए ऊपर की वैल्यू, एंड y जो है दैट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. ये 0 नहीं चलेगा, अगर ये 0 होता है तो नॉन डिफाइंड हो जाएगा, है ना. और ये वैल्यू आपको हमेशा पॉजिटिव चाहिए, तभी हमको रियल नंबर मिलेगा. सो दैट इज दिस 2y should be greater than equal to 3, y should be greater than equal to 0, not equal to, simply greater than 0, because equal to 0, y cannot be 0, so greater than 0. So this y should be greater than equal to 3/2. 3/2 से बड़ा होना चाहिए, 0 से तो बड़ा होना चाहिए लेकिन 3/2 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. So y, therefore range of the function, range, that is value of y, range of the function इज 3/2 चलेगा हमको 3/2 से ग्रेटर में चलता है, सो अप टू इन्फिनिटी 3/2 to infinity. This will be the range of this function. Okay, so and x y equal to this. So यहाँ पर x डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, x √2 नहीं होना चाहिए. √2 का स्क्वायर 2 हो जाएगा, 2 - 2 ये 0 बनेगा. So √2 को छोड़ के बाकी सारे रियल नंबर्स आपको मिलेंगे. So range of the function is in closed interval 3/2 to infinity. So this is the answer. See students, now next question. If R2 is a relation of order pairs xy such that x and y are integers. x और y आपको integers चलेंगे और x² + y² कितना होना चाहिए, 64 होना चाहिए. So how should be the values of here x and y so that the sum of the squares of this domain square plus range square will be equals to 64. Then find R2 this relation in roster form. You have to find the order pairs which satisfy this x² + y² equal to 64. Okay, so solution, given that x² + y² equal to 64. So x and y belongs to here z, integers. He has asked that x and y should be integers. Okay, so the sum of the squares of two integers is 64. Now if I take here x equal to 0, now when x equal to 0, so y² equal to 64, that is y can have the values ±8 when x equal to 0, and when y equal to 0, x² will be equal to 64, that is x can have the values ±8 taking square root both the side. Therefore relation R2 तो x की वैल्यू जो है 0 भी हो सकती है, x की वैल्यू ±8 भी हो सकती है. सो व्हेन x इक्वल टू 0 तो y इक्वल टू 8 आता है, x इक्वल टू 0 y इक्वल टू -8 भी आता है. व्हेन x इक्वल टू +8, x इक्वल टू 8 ले लो, उस टाइम पे y 0 होता है. ओके, व्हेन x इक्वल टू -8 आल्सो रेंज इज 0. Therefore this is the relation R2 containing these 4 order pairs. See students, next question, MCQ question. Let number of elements in capital A are m and number of elements in set B are n. Then the total number of non-empty relations that can be defined from A to B is. So which one of the option is correct, that you have to take here. Okay, see the solution here. Total number of elements in capital A equals to m, and total number of elements in capital B equals to n. Therefore total number of order pairs in A cross B, टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर पेयर्स कितना होगा, m इंटू n. इतने ऑर्डर पेयर्स हो गए, तो ये ऑर्डर पेयर्स के सबसेट कितने हो गए, मीन्स उतने ही उसके रिलेशंस हो जाएंगे. Therefore total number of relations equal to 2 raised to the power m into n. But here we want non-empty relation, which is here this is including empty set also. 5, this includes empty set also, but we want non-empty relations. Therefore total number of non-empty relations from A to B equal to, you have to subtract this empty relation, that is 2 raised to the power mn minus 1. These are the total number of non-empty relations. So answer D is correct here. Okay. The next question, suppose if p equals to 1 2, suppose p is given, that is 1 2, then it is asked to find whether this one is true or false. You have to find it is true or false. Okay, so then p cross p, this is given 1 1 1. Okay, then 2 2 2 2 2 2, then 1 2 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 1 2 1 1. Okay, state whether it is true or false. Okay, p is given 1 and 2 elements, and p cross p is this. Is it true or false? That you have to tell us. The solution here, p equals to 1 2. Therefore p, let us find p cross p. P cross p means 1 2 cross 1 2. So that is 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. Okay, this is p cross p. Therefore p cross p again cross p. So here in p cross p there are 4 order pairs, 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. Now these are the elements of this set, cross 1 2. Now find p cross p. So this will be 1 1 1 1 1, then 1 1 1 1, this 2. Okay, then 1 2 1 2 with this 1, then 1 2 with this 2, then 2 1 this 1, 2 1 2, then 2 2 this is 1, and 2 2 2. So this is p cross p, whereas he has given 1 1 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 and 2 1 1. So this is false. So this statement, this is false.